welcome to The Print. I'm here in Hyderabad's Old City with the AIMIM's Asaduddin Owaisi as he hits the campaign trail here in Hyderabad. Owaisi is a four-time MP from Hyderabad, where the election has a surprising new entrant, the BJP candidate from Hyderabad, Madhavi Lata, who has made headlines for her controversial comments. It's the last couple of days of campaigning here and things are heating up in Hyderabad as the state goes to polls on 13th May. Asaduddin Owaisi is the incumbent MP from Hyderabad. This is very much the AIMIM stronghold. Here's what he has to say.
Madhavi Lata yesterday said that your party is making Hyderabad another Pakistan. Any comments?
I mean, you see, there is a limit to some insanity. But if one indulges in all this insane behavior, then I can only, I cannot answer for all these rubbish, insane things. So basically, one needs to get their mind checked. What is, Pakistan, Razakar, we are Ghuspeti, give us 15 seconds. What is this? I mean, is this an election or what? You want to turn it into some sort of a physical war or what it is? Basically, BJP believes in this is actually fascism of the worst kind, which we are seeing.
You feel like they're not reaching out and appeasing. Why aren't they working with you? You feel like they're not appeasing.
Why are they not
reaching out to you? You feel like they're not.
Well, see, it's not the end of the world for me. They don't want to reach out. That is their problem. That is their lookout. For me, it is not the end of the world for me. But we have always fought against BJP. We have defeated BJP in Hyderabad, wherever we have contested. So it is for them to decide. See, I've always said that it's an old schoolboy network. And all of these are all the politicians over there they believe in politics of entitlement. So thankfully, I'm not with them.
The AIMIM is contesting in UP, Bihar, Maharashtra. Your party is contesting in UP, Bihar, Maharashtra. How are you strategizing there? You haven't travelled as much. I know you just got back from Aurangabad. Last time you travelled a lot more.
We have the elections in Kishanganj are over. I was there. I campaigned for my party candidate, and hopefully, inshallah, we'll be able to win that seat. Aurangabad looks very good. Imtiaz Jalil has done some wonderful work for all sections of Aurangabad, irrespective of caste, creed. In 5 years, he has done more work than what the 21-year-old, 20 years tenure of Khaire was. So hopefully, he'll also win, inshallah. So remaining in Uttar Pradesh, because we are part of PDM, after my 13th polling is over, I'll be going over there. And then, as far as Bihar is concerned, yes, we are going to contest more seats. Wherever time permits, I'll be going over there and campaigning in Bihar and in Jharkhand also.
I'm Vandana Menon reporting from Hyderabad for The Print.